5 Max Movies presents
Open your eyes. Witness the greatest cover-up in human history. You ask what will be worth killing for. You can't.
You know this is real?
Real enough to kill for. Da Vinci Code on May 9. At para makumpleto ang experience,
The Illuminati were a secret society dedicated to scientific truth. The Catholic Church ordered a brutal massacre to silence them forever. They've come for their revenge.
watch the special screening of Angels and Demons. Manalo ng VIP Pass simply by tuning in to 5 Max Movies every night at sumali sa TV5 Break the Code promo. Antayin lang ang paglitaw ng code sa inyong mga TV screen. Mag-log on lang sa www.tv5.com.ph. Crack the code and you might win VIP passes for 2 plus limited edition Da Vinci Code gift items. The Angels and Demons special screening will be held at Greenbelt 3 Cinema 2 on May 15, 7:30 p.m.